This is Boyce Fitzgerald. He runs the YouTube channel Real Life Stock Video, and he's a stock content creator just like me.
Year 2024 was my best year ever in selling stock video and stock pictures. I made over $1,000 a month on the average, and I'm going to show you those results.
He has a portfolio of 8,147 videos on Blackbox and makes about $1,000 a month there. He flies the DJI Mavic 4. He shoots with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and multiple handheld cameras. Also, he shoots a special niche, astrophotography, with cameras like the Sony FF, A7 IV, A7 III, Astro Modified, A7 R2 and the ZV-E1. Let's do an experiment. Boyce joined Amazing Aerial a couple of days ago. He set the goal of uploading 1,000 photos in the coming 3 months. How much will he make? In today's video, I will do an interview with him about his strategy, and in about 3 months' time, I will check how Amazing Aerial worked out for him. Hi Boyce, welcome to my channel, the Microstock drone channel. Today we have a guest which I would like to do an interview on. Something really interesting, I think, because also for you as a viewer, Boyce joined Amazing Aerial and he's a contributor, and I would really like to find out, like, he starts today or in these days, and where is he going to be in 3 months. Now Boyce is pretty experienced contributor, I believe. He made quite some money on Blackbox and has quite some years of experience. So he flies DJI Mavic 4, what I know. So yeah, that's a bit of the profile, and you're going to learn more about him by me asking him questions. Yeah, and let's see where he stands in 3 months, where he wants to be, and how is that going to work out. So first of all, yeah, you joined Amazing Aerial in 2026, Boyce. How is your experience so far at Amazing Aerial?
Well, I'm really excited about it for a number of reasons. But yeah, I joined, I think, just about 2 weeks ago, and I have live or online 144 assets, and I'm gonna get that up high as fast as I can, as long as I have good quality stuff. But the thing that I'm really happy about is that pictures are the main focus of the earnings there. And I've never really been, I do upload to Adobe Stock, but this is a premium platform, and the pictures make more money. And some pictures I've had going back, my favorite thing is astrophotography. I've never had a place where I could present that. I don't want to sell fine art photography that took me all night to get only 3 or 4 pictures and then sell them for 99 cents a piece. And so I never uploaded them. So I started with Amazing Aerial, just uploading some of those. Not all of them. Some of them have people in them, and I can't get a model release, from 5 years ago. So I just uploaded the ones I could, but going forward, I'll always be able to do that. And drone photography is really fun, and now I have a place where I can upload that and get some premium sales for it. The other thing I really like about Amazing Aerial is that when you upload it, you can put in the batch. You could say, for example, factory construction site at Silicon Slopes, and then the city and the state or country, whatever you need to put in, and the AI will do the metadata for you. And if I found that if I put a good description in there, the AI keywords really need almost no adjustment. I always go in to adjust them if needed, but they almost need no adjustment. A lot of times I leave them exactly like they are. And so uploading becomes more fun, and just really been impressed with it. When I first got in there, I didn't know how to change the metadata. I didn't know how to do that, but I figured it out quickly. And there's some nice training online from Amazing Aerial too. So I've been really impressed with it. I haven't sold anything yet, but it's only been 2 weeks. When I started stock media, in 2018, it took me 3 months before I got my first significant sales, before I was making $30, $40 a month. So I'm really excited about this. I'm not worried about the sales for now. I'm just going to keep my head down and put as many quality assets as I can on Amazing Aerial.
Yeah, that's really interesting. I think what you mentioned, indeed, the infrastructure at Amazing Aerial lets you do that by the AI keywording and having it spread out to multiple premium agencies. So yes, I think it's also something I experienced, that you can upload a lot at really quick rate. Something that's very important to be successful. So I would like to look a bit at your experience. So I know that you also upload to Blackbox. So what are your earnings at Blackbox, and how long did you upload there? And I believe you also upload to Adobe Stock, as you mentioned. So what can you tell us about your experience there and your earnings?
Blackbox I really like. They only do footage, but that's not so bad because the Microstock agencies don't pay a lot for photo. So they do video. I started in 2018, no experience. And at the time, I had a Phantom 3 drone that shot 1080p, and that was a good drone at the time. But I had that. I didn't have any other camera. I love photography. You can see I got a little overboard. And I wanted to make enough money that my hobby would pay for itself. So my initial goal was to make $200 a month, because $200 a month means you can buy a full frame camera after a year. You can buy a nice lens the next year. The third year, you can replace your drone every 3 years or so. And that was my goal. My goal was just to have a self-feeding hobby that didn't take from the family economy, but it took from an outside source that I didn't feel guilty about buying something that was just for me, So I made the first year, after 3 months, no experience. The stuff I was uploading, frankly, was not good. But after 3 months and 300 assets online, 300 clips online, I sold one for $40. And I got really excited, and I started to study and learn more about the process of stock video. The last 2 years, so 2025 and 2024, I averaged almost exactly $1,000. So I think I was $999 in 2004
per month,
on
right?
the average per month. Yeah. So I made 11,900. I was like $4 short of $12,000 in 2004. And in 2005, I had almost exactly the same. Now, at this time, I had a very demanding job. I lived in the Middle East, and I wasn't really uploading much. There wasn't an opportunity that I had to get out and upload a lot. So in 2005, I made almost exactly the same. I think a little bit less. And then in 2006, my average is a 996, something like that. And then I make a little bit on Adobe Stock. I only make $30, $40 a month. I have, I think, 1,500 pictures or something on there. But I'm going to focus a little bit more on Adobe Stock on certain niches that I think would do better with me as the owner of the portfolio. In Blackbox, everything you upload is Blackbox Guild. So you benefit from that because there's a lot of great creators on there and it has a good reputation. But I think there could come a time where I want to say, this is my portfolio. And so I'm going to upload maybe some model shoots and some other things and also I can upload the pictures and the footage for a model shoot that might go together for one client. Whereas if I upload the pictures on Adobe Stock and the footage on Blackbox, I'm not going to have that exclusive power that I can on Adobe Stock. So I'm going to do a little bit more on Adobe Stock. I'm going to continue with what I've always done on Blackbox. And then on Amazing Aerial, I'm going to focus on some of the things that I learned from you, which is the infrastructure development and technology growth in clean resources, clean power and energy, data centers, transportation hubs, electrical power grids, those types of things. And it doesn't sound fun, but I found it really is. because I'm flying a drone and I'm out there just doing to me, flying the drone and making art are just two things that are fun. And it doesn't matter so much. As I learn about these different places, I've come to really appreciate it. And so I'm hopeful that type of content, I'm basically just following the pattern that you said, and in a different location. So that's great because we're not necessarily competing against each other. And I can do that. What you're doing in Europe, I can do here. Of course, you travel all over the world, but and so I'm just excited about having another avenue of income. And as I transition into a pension retired lifestyle, I can focus more on that. And I have the capacity now to really upload 300 assets between the three platforms, Blackbox, Adobe Stock, and Amazing Aerial, not competing against each other really, because I'm uploading different things to different platforms. I just think that I have an opportunity to change to make instead of $1,000 a month, I can make it. Just imagine how $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month can make a difference when you're already earning a pension. So I'm no longer doing it for me. I'm doing it for the lifestyle of me and my wife.
Yeah. I think there's definitely potential in growing to a new number like that. Yes, that is also my experience. So maybe you can share a little bit. You have the DJI Mavic 4 drone. You also have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And what other gear do you have? So what can we expect from you that you're going to upload more of on Amazing Aerial? You told me a bit of astrology photos as well. Yeah, and next to this, you're going to upload a lot of drone photos. So the cameras, you also have handheld cameras, right? You also use those?
Yes, I really like, of course, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a new generation of drones. It goes beyond what was capable before. Got a 3-4 sensor, but it also has 3 different cameras and sensors on it, and those allow you to get. There's a military base near me that has a government intelligence data center. You can't film that with another drone. I can be 400 meters away and still film that with high quality video and pictures, and without breaking any laws. I'm not in a no-fly zone. I have my Part 107 required in the U.S., so I can do that with this drone, but I'd never been able to do before. And of course, I wasn't even interested in that thing before, but now that type of genre, I mean. So I have that, and then the DJI Pocket 3, of course, Pocket 4 or the 360, the new one that 360 came out, it's a similar type camera. Those are really great for stock video. I don't think people need, if you're doing stock video, those are great. But if you want to do photography on the ground, so I have a number of full frame cameras. I got to admit that I've fallen into the trap of buying something every time something's new. And I'm really going to stop doing that. But I have a Sony ZV-E1, which is almost a cinema grade video camera. I got a Sony A7 IV, which is the only one I really need. I should have stopped there. And then I have an old A7 III, which I did astro modification on it so that I can really get the detail in the night sky. That is my true love, is to do astrophotography. And Amazing Aerial does have a premium catalog of astrophotography pictures. I'm not the only one on there doing that. And so I'm hoping that I can spend more time and do that. That's what I've always done just for me. I've never posted those anywhere, tried to sell them or upload them. I didn't feel good about uploading them on Adobe Stock because they're just they're too good, and they're not really stock type pictures. So now I'm uploading those to Amazing Aerial, and I'll be able to focus on that, and that's what I truly love. So that A7 III gives me that. I also have an A7R2, an older camera that's nice to do. when I'm doing astrophotography, I usually set that up to do astro time lapse, the Milky Way crossing the sky. So I have more cameras and lenses than I need for sure. And I'm going to stop and focus. I'm going to think of this more now as a business instead of thinking it as a hobby that pays for itself. Because obviously I don't need $12,000 worth of equipment a year. Whereas I just think this will be meaningful for me to add structure to my time in retirement, but also add extra income that would just be a blessing for us.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I think it will be very interesting. So, if you're going to upload for 3 months, you're also going to upload some topics that are relatively new to me. So, like astrophotography. I would like to see what sells, because I think that is a very important strategy as well, to look at other people, what do they sell, and learn from that. So right now you sell about 31% from your sales comes from drone shots, you say, 26% establishing shots, and something really interesting I find, you have 14% out of model shoots. And I think people in images can be really interesting. So maybe it would be interesting if you get some of those at Amazing Aerial as well. I would like to learn how that sells. So you see a lot of, with all the other premiums, that they portray a lot of people as well. This is something also I find very interesting. So hopefully we can learn something from you after some time, like what sells well for you, and what can we learn from that as well.
I'm excited about that too. I'll send you some pictures you can put up when we're talking about that.
Yeah.
But also on Amazing Aerial, I went to a rodeo the other day. Rodeo is a complete American thing, you know, and there were some longhorn cattle there, and I took pictures of those things, and they've all been accepted, and they're online now with Amazing Aerial. So it's not all aerial photos that they're taking now, and I don't know if that type of thing for sale, but because it's editorial, I couldn't upload that to Adobe Stock, and because it's pictures, I can't upload it to blackbox. So I uploaded it to Amazing Aerial. If that type of stuff sells, I mean, I would just love to go around and be able to there's wild horses here in Utah. There's wild mules. I uploaded some wild horses fighting, and those are on Amazing Aerial. So there's some things that maybe I can do that will add to kind of the infrastructure and technology genre that you've perfected, and we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Well, I think you live in a very interesting country, the USA, right? It's also high on my list that I would like to go there to drone. Lots of big companies, of course, lots of tech. Super interesting place. So I think there's everything you need there, and I'm really looking forward to your results. So let's say in about 3 months, you're going to upload 1,000 files. And let's see what that's going to bring to you. So I'm excited to learn about that.
Well, let's check back in 3 months. I want to say I'll guarantee they'll have 100 or 1,000 assets on Amazing Aerial, and I'll have some sales data then, and we can look at it. That'll be fun. Yeah,
for sure. Yeah, and we can learn something as well. And in the meantime, we'll all progress, right? It brings some money as well.
Absolutely.
So, okay, well, thank you very much for your time and your input. It was great having to talk with you, to meet you. It's pretty weird to see someone you see on YouTube in real life. It's pretty cool. So thank you very much.
You're welcome. I appreciate you inviting me on your channel, which I'm a big fan of. So thank you very much.